Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube. It's former. I try to give you the information from the inside of IRS. Very few people can do that. Our firms logged many years behind the curtain, over 250 years of direct IRS work experience, and then plus our representation. So we try to give you the truth so you can make an evaluation or valuation really on what you need to do with the things that you have in fact coming. So right now, if you have an IRS tax debt, you're going to have to know how to deal with the debt. This is kind of a very basic teaching, so you know at least what to expect when IRS sends you a letter, or how you're going to have to deal with them yourselves. So IRS, I want you to understand this from 30,000 feet, what IRS is trying to do, and so you can kind of govern yourself accordingly. IRS has to know where you are as a whole in paying the IRS debt. And it has to be fair across all states, all people, all taxpayers everywhere, both business and personal. Has to be that way. So what does IRS do? 30,000 foot view, they want a financial statement of your business or you personally, and then they evaluate that financial statement based on how the Internal Revenue Manual says this is how you base everyone, so everyone is treated fairly. So this is what they do. They give you a financial statement. Like me as a former agent, what I would drill down on that financial statement, I'm looking at your assets, I'm looking at your income and expenses. Those are generally the only two things I care about, because that's where I can collect the money. So IRS is going to go ahead and make sure those assets are all reported. They have different tools to go ahead and make sure you reported them all. They can pull your credit card, credit reports, all that stuff, and then they're going to look at your income and expenses. And I go over this almost every video, because this is where people get nailed. IRS is not going to use your expenses. They don't care what you're paying for rent, your car payment. They're going to use their expenses and get rid of yours. In between making these videos, I got a call from someone and said now they have a $4,000 more payment agreement to IRS because they didn't allow their expenses. You can't call IRS unless you understand the National Standard Program. IRS is only going to tell you you can spend this much money. If you're making over that, IRS will say pay it, but we want our due. I just want to let you know that's the overall IRS collection program in dealing with IRS debt, whether it's on the phone or in the local office. IRS wants documentation. If you need me, call me. We're really good. We can help polish your statement and present it to IRS maybe in a different light. Plus, we're really good negotiators. Thank you very much for listening. If you don't use, I still wish you the best of luck. No matter what, give me a subscription. I'd really appreciate it so much. Thank you for your time today. Blessings.